Cute oh. Ayo balong malay ato may.
But it's dirty right now.
Why?
We have to empty it.
So big na. Oh my god.
Those fish,
There's 48 fish in
Ano
there.
kan kuy itan? Ate?
I spend like 100.
Kuy?
Because the one who I went there and then he's like, oh good, do you want to take them all? He said, you can just give me 100. And I'm like, oh okay. So I took them all.
Nasarap.
Because he wants to take care only of the color of that one.
No.
White and that.
Red na.
There's
Cute,
total of
oh, very-
48. One died. Supposed to be
Oh
49.
my god.
So far, they're alive. I don't know what happened to the other one. Why it's dead.
Ay, okay.
I'm thinking, I don't know. The dog.
Look. Don't touch ay, okay
There's also baby in there.
Look, okay. Look.
Sometimes it's clean.
Okay. Fish. That's a fishes. Oh.
You guys got a lot of rain, didn't you? We did too. It actually,
Look, okay.
at the same time,
Look.
it rained all day in Vegas. First time,
Really?
like all day.
That's good because it's been. Oh, that one looks like pregnant.
Ang pilig na ako.
How come it's like a
Tara.
butcher? I hope it won't die.
Cute.
How come it's so
Oh,
chubby?
tato okay.
It's not time yet because they're gonna get pregnant like April, May, June, like that. I have to buy a different container when they
Cute oh.
have
Oh, to
babies.
hold them, huh? So they don't get eaten.
Yeah, they're gonna eat them.